Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can autoplay piano in Roblox, so you can play full songs automatically without pressing every single key yourself. So to get started, you'll need two things, Roblox Piano Access and an autoplay tool like AutoHotkey. To do that, go to your browser, open up a browser like so, go ahead and type in AutoHotkey as so, click on this link right over here, it should be the first one popping up. Just give it a moment. And your page should look like this. So now if your page looks like this, go ahead and download it here, click on the downloader over here. And this tool simulates keystrokes, letting your computer play the piano for you. So go ahead and download the AutoHotkey from its official website. So once downloaded, the APK or executable file, go ahead and install it, then load a piano script. The script contains the notes of your song and will automatically press the key in Roblox. So once your script is ready, go ahead and open Roblox like so. Once Roblox is open, go ahead and type in the piano game. So I'll type in RO beats, so row beats right here. Once here, go ahead and click inside the game and run the script. Watch as the notes play themselves. It's like magic. So if you prefer a more advanced option, you can also try VP Autoplayer. It has a user-friendly interface where you can load virtual piano sheets, adjust speed, and sync perfectly with Roblox piano keys. Remember, autoplay is often considered cheating in public piano games. Use it responsibly and check the rules of the game you're playing. It's best for practicing or showing off songs with your friends. And that's it. Now you know how to autoplay piano and Roblox. If you guys do find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.